Welcome, and thank you for investing your time in our bite-sized Azure series. My name is Jason Lambert. I'm Cloud Technical Consultant for Microsoft Azure at INGRAM Micro. And today I'd like to give you an overview of the Azure Calculator. Okay, so we open up my favorite browser. I'm going to type in Azure Calculator. Calculator, estimator both work. And so you're going to see the calculator will pop up, the link for it will pop up in the top three or four links of any browser that you may use. And so go ahead and open that up. And this is what an empty browser looks like. So it's looking for you to add items. Typically in traditional infrastructure, you'd be looking at compute, network, and storage. So under compute, virtual machines, virtual machine scale sets, networking, probably bandwidth, VPN, and our express route, depending on the size of the organization you're working with. Under storage, we're going to click on storage for blob or page blob and disk, backup, and site recovery. So I've gone ahead and added those two to my estimate here, and I'm also going to go ahead and add virtual machine. So if I bubble over, here's my virtual machine. I get to call it whatever I like. So if it helps to identify the opportunity, I can put an application server, and or I could put in, if there's like a DS1234 is the name of the server that I'm using, or the code, whatever that may be. And so on this machine, I'm saying it's a D1 and it's in the region US West. I'm going to go through this again down the road when I actually get into talking about servers. But then if I wanted to add in another machine, I can go ahead and do that as well. And I could maybe make that my AD, DC server. And again, I can pick a different make of machines. And I've got backup, site recovery, application server, DC AD server, and I've got my estimate in MSRP, so it's resale pricing. We've got purchase options. You don't want to go there if you're purchasing through INGRAM Micro. And I can also export the estimate here. So if I export it, it's going to pop out an Excel document that'll be formatted based on the estimate that I have here. So at this point, this is the Azure Calculator. Thank you for investing your time with me today, and I look forward to helping you through on additional trainings in our series.